What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BTR Garage. It is Justin. We've got a quick update for you today on my GR86 and also a big surprise or reveal for what's coming to the BTR Garage. So first things first, we'll talk about the GR86. And by the way, I got a new camera set up. I hope you guys like it. We're going to try out some new things with video recording and presenting the content to y'all. But the car itself, so the GR86 did not arrive on my birthday. So big sad face. It's about a week late or so for a birthday arrival. The date got pushed out to February 5th or the 10th, or between that time frame, I should say, and actually recently updated just today in the system between the 4th and the 9th. So we'll see when it arrives here. I have a few parts I'm going to show you that we've already got for the car. I'm just waiting for it to come in. But with that said, my salesperson did say that the car should arrive any day now, but I still have no car. So I've heard of other people in the area getting cars. I've been getting callbacks from other dealerships that I had inquired on other cars for, saying that they've got them, they're at the dealership floor, and ready for pickup if I wanted. But most of them are either automatics or base models. I really think I got like the last premium trim manual transmission car in the area. So we're gonna wait it out, and hopefully it's just another week or two and we'll have the new GR86 in our hands. Now in the meantime, I've already started ordering parts for the car like a good car guy should, always having parts landing at the house before you even have the stupid car. So what do we get? This is a box. In this box are Grimspeed hood struts. I put these on my 2017 Subaru BRZ. I hope they fit. I haven't heard if they do or not yet, but that's what's in this box, Grimspeed hood struts. I got the Cusco pedal attachment. This goes over the pedal on the car, the throttle pedal obviously. Makes the heel toe process a little bit easier. It's got that little extension on it. I also had this on my FRS and my BRZ. Excited to put that on. It's a good upgrade, cheap, effective, does what it's supposed to do. Another box here, we have, what are these? I don't even remember. Oh, right. So the clear turn signal indicators on the side of the car, the ones that go on the bumper. These are the Japanese versions of those. Pretty common upgrade. Get rid of the ugly orangey amber colored side markers, so we'll get those on the car as well. And then lastly, just a quick sneak peek. You guys can kind of guess what that is, but we'll get that installed on the car here pretty quick as well. All right, so let's get to the bigger news, or the big reveal that I kind of mentioned earlier in the video. So maybe not so much a big deal for you all as the viewers, but a huge deal for me. This is something I've been working on for about a year now. I started, I don't know, last March or May of 2021 with this particular process. So the BTR Garage has evolved a couple of times over the years. Back in Colorado when we lived there, we had the 2-car garage where we filmed a whole lot of our videos from, right? Then moving to Arizona here, we've got, you know, this little 2-car garage here that we've been filming all our videos from. And I've always wanted something bigger, something to hold more car crap, more cars, more projects. One of the downsides of moving here to Arizona is they don't have basements around like they do in Colorado. So we had a lot of storage space in the basements and in my sheds in the backyard. And here, everything is up in the ceiling. My car stuff is crammed in here, the go-karts, my bikes, you know, whatever. It's just not a lot of space with no basements. I have no sheds in the backyard. And anyways, cut to the chase here. So what we've got, and I'm going to turn the camera around here. So out here used to be our driveway. So we have a pretty large driveway here, which is nice. It goes all the way out to the front of the yard, out in that direction. But we have all of this space here, and then even into the backyard over the fence. It goes back another 50 feet or something back there. So what we're doing is building the BTR Mega Garage. We just had the concrete pulled up yesterday to get the new concrete floor poured for the garage. It's going to be a 1,000 square foot garage, 10-foot ceilings as well, so we can get a lift in there if we want. We'll be able to fit 7, maybe 8 cars, including our daily drivers in there, if we wanted to. I'm not going to have that many cars, of course, but it's going to be huge. We're going to be retaining this garage, the 2-car garage as well, at least for the time being. Down the road, I want to actually finish this area out and make it living space so we can add to the square footage for the house. But what we're going to have is this garage here, and then garage behind us is going to be massive. It's going to be the BTR Mega Garage, one of my dreams, and we're going to try to do some regular videos to keep you guys updated on the progress of the garage build. So that's it. That's the update. We got BTR Mega Garage coming soon. We have the GR86 also coming soon, and I forgot to mention, I got this big old box back here. We have truck parts as well to install. We're gonna get those installed and videos out for that stuff as well. So all kinds of stuff going on here in the near future. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, like always, hit me up down below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay safe out there. I am checking out, and we'll talk to you all next time.